Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to look on a Gamesir X4 and the Gamesir G8, and I'm going to show you some things and the differences regarding the specs that you need to know. So the first thing with the G8 is wired, it's pass-through charging, and you can have also audio jack. And also it works with the computer. So this is the first thing you can see right here that is wired. Now the thing is that the only con that I perceive with the wired is that I don't know how would it affect the phone from a long-term perspective if it's not going to like damage the charging when you always have to plug it there, plug it out, and this is like the only con that I possibly see with it. Now on the other hand, with the Gamesir X4, and when people are like, even when you look here, the design is just different there. The first thing is that many people report it's comfortable use, it's compact when you want to store it, and it's Bluetooth. So this really depends, because I just saw this picture of a guy, like look at him, is that he got it like this, he's like traveling, he doesn't have to look down with his head, so he got a control in the hands while looking on a display like this. And for me the Bluetooth is interesting, so I just want to make this quick video for you regards these cons. And of course the price is different, so it depends if you're looking for the wired one or the Bluetooth one. But what I encourage you to do is look on AliExpress, because there are going to be things like this for like 10-15 euro. I really believe in that on a similar quality. So like for example, when I'm going to look here, the BP is D8, so you can check it out. So thank you and have a great day, and goodbye.